California is penalizing employers $250 per employee for not being compliant with CalSavers. So they either have to have an employer-sponsored retirement plan in place for their employees, like a 401k, 403b, a simple IRA, or they have to register with CalSavers, which involves doing paperwork for each of their employees, whether they opt in or not. As a way of introduction, my name is Christian Gutierrez. I am a senior advisor here at the Financial Architects, and today I'm going to share with you how we are currently helping employers actually profit from these major changes without having to hassle with registering for CalSavers or pay any penalties. Now, here are the two main reasons why this is happening. Reason number one, employees aren't saving enough money for retirement. As a matter of fact, many aren't saving any money at all. And it's probably because they're hoping Social Security will be enough. But the truth is, more than 10,000 baby boomers retire every single day, adding an additional $60 billion each year to Social Security. This alone is causing Social Security to potentially go bankrupt, leaving almost nothing for the current workforce to retire on. Reason number two, based on a 2014 study, California found that employees who have an employer-sponsored retirement plan are 15 times more likely to save for retirement. But surprisingly, over 46% of employers do not have an employer-sponsored retirement plan in place. This is why California made it mandatory for employers with 5 or more employees to be compliant with CalSavers, or they will be penalized $250 per employee if they're not in compliance within the first 90 days of their deadline. If nothing is done after day 180, then another $500 penalty will be charged per employee. That's a total of $750 in penalties per employee. And this cannot be written off at the end of the year. Just to be clear, each employer's deadline depends on the number of employees they have. The more employees they have, the sooner their deadline is. As a matter of fact, many employers have already been penalized tens of thousands of dollars. So it is extremely important that employers get in compliance as soon as possible. Although registering for CalSavers is better than doing nothing, it is crucial to know the 4 major issues that come with taking that option. Number one, the employer and the employee have no control over their retirement. Number two, CalSavers limits the amount of money you can contribute to your retirement plan. So at best case scenario, you will not have enough money to retire on. Number three, CalSavers does not offer any financial education whatsoever, basically leaving anyone who registers with them in the dark. Number four, employers receive absolutely no tax advantages. Now, the alternative option, which many would agree is the best option, is to implement an employer-sponsored retirement plan like a 401k, 403b, or a simple IRA. Plans like these give the employer huge tax advantages and also gives both employees and employers 100% control of their retirement. What employers need is a well-respected financial planning company that can put together and implement the right employer-sponsored retirement plan from start to finish so that they're in compliance and don't get penalized thousands of dollars. And most importantly, gets them and their employees closer to their retirement goals. Because when employees know they have a safe, secure retirement, they become more loyal to the company and put much more effort into their jobs. This also sets the employer apart from the competition. So for employers with 5 or more employees who do not want to hassle with registering for CalSavers or have to pay any penalties, we will be the financial strategist to you and each of your employees, providing top-tier financial education so that you and your employees have the right employer-sponsored retirement plan in place. Unlike CalSavers that only offers a cookie-cutter limited retirement plan. Our retirement plans are customizable to any financial goal so that at best case scenario, you and your employees have the opportunity to retire at a sooner date than anticipated. With us, employers get huge tax advantages and both employee and employer get 100% control of their retirement plan. So if you want to get huge tax savings, secure a strong retirement for you and your employees, and not have to pay so much money in penalties, then give us a call at 888-350-5396 or email us at info@tfainsuranceadvisors.com. In order to give our clients the best possible service, we have partnered up with companies like The Principal, which happens to be one of the top retirement planning companies in the world. They have over $200 billion under management in retirement plans, over 100 years of experience in financial services, and over 5 million participants in retirement plans. I'm sure you've gotten a lot of value from this video, and I hope you have a great day.